Hi guys, welcome to my channel Karma Varma Readings. Today we'll be asking the angels about how full moon is going to affect you all and what good things are going to come in your life because of this full moon in December. So let's go. Guys, let's start with Sagittarius. Let's see what do full moon brings for them. I'm going to fan the cards and then take out. They're very nice cards. For some Sagittarius, I see the full moon is bringing uh, some money, some slow energy towards you all. It could be a love offer as well, or some new opportunities. I'm getting three messages. For some, it could be a love offer, a new opportunity, or a new job. It's a very slow energy. It'll come according to divine timing. And because of this energy which you're waiting for, which is coming towards you very slowly, it's giving you sleepless nights. Some of you are not sleeping at night. There could be depression or maybe anxiety issues, but I do see you not sleeping well and very tensed about this. I'm even understanding that you're trying to be in your power. You are in your Empress energy. It could be a girl or boy, no gender specific here. You are in your own power. You're being very strong. You're being very strong for yourself, which is a great thing. And I see a count. If you guys are in a relationship, you guys are counterparts, or yeah, you guys want to start a new beginning in your life. It could be a marriage. I see marriage soon with if you guys are dating or in a relationship. Or if you are guys single, you are attracting your counterpart. You've got the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands. Both are equal counterparts. Uh, it's made for each other in the heaven. God has given you this blessing. So stay positive about your love life because God is bringing you destiny in the universe, and the angels are bringing you what you want. Your spirit guides are also bringing you. Pray to whoever deity or particular divine you are praying to because it's helping you attract what you're looking for in a partner. Okay, so let's see what do love messages you'll get. Oh my god. Okay, for some it's been there, done that. This could be a new person who you're manifesting. You complete me, my better half. You need to be patient. There's a lot of patience required. Let's take this in my hand. Okay, it was my mistake. For some, it could be your ex who's giving you anxiety. Are you waiting for them to come? Your love completes me. You are my wildest dream. You are always in my heart. I love you like a love song, baby. And love is all we have. I'm crazy without you. Your eyes makes me crazy. Baby, come to me. It's like, that daddy vibes. With you, I am complete. My missing puzzle, please. I think we got this again. You're my puzzle piece. Your love completes me. It's like about completion. You've got three cards of that. Your love completes me. You complete me, my better half. With you, I'm complete, my missing puzzle piece. I'm building a life for us. And say my name. Oh yeah, like they're having these naughty thoughts. Say my name, baby. Okay. And I see your videos, TikTok reels for some. It's a message, beautiful messages. Thank you, Sagittarius, guys. I hope you like the reading. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, Karma Varma Readings, and spread the word. Merry Christmas and have a great New Year ahead. Okay, let's. I just wind this up. Yeah. Let's see what do Capricorns need to know. Energy for Capricorn. What do Capricorn need to know? So Capricorn, I see you working towards a project. It could be a contract situation, buying a new house, some newspaper. If you work in a magazine or a newspaper company or a print, something related to a print. I even see a contract building. It could be an architecture, interior designer, a builder into real estates, construction site manager. I even see like a marriage proposal. You guys could be searching someone for marriage, so you must be like giving advertisements regarding your marriage. But yeah, you're confused between two things, is what I see. You're balancing work out and your love life. You're trying to balance both things out. You're juggling right now. There's a cycle which needs to be over yet, Capricorn, but you're being defensive regarding some situation. I don't know what you know better which situation you are in right now. You're very guarded regarding your situation. Could be work or your love life. The energy is again very slow. I think this full moon things are happening, but at a very slow rate. It's coming, but it's like a tortoise speed or a snail. For some, I think it's majorly a love situation. It's strongly about your ex. You're looking for marriage? Yeah, strongly marriage. But your finances are not really stable right now. You're not stable. You are facing some financial situation in your life, but it's guided by God. It's some divine karma related. But new beginnings are going to begin eventually. I see in the next 6 months. So this person you're thinking about could be your past lover. or you'll attract some new one in your life. I'm getting two messages, but I'm seeing strongly your ex. You're praying for your ex. There is some delay because of you got it because of your heart situation. You want to get married, but your heart is very guarded. Could be you've been hurt before. There's a female. If you guys are, if there's a female in your life who's praying for something, uh, it could be regarding you. If you're a female, then you are praying for something, and God is going to listen to you. Yeah, you guys have. If you're in a love connection right now, this is your past life lover, your ex, and yeah, you guys you've met before in your past life. You guys were together in your past life. Yeah, that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Let's see what love messages you get. Okay. Life is toxic right now. Say my name. Maybe they want to call you out, and just call them. Get your dream job. Follow your dreams. I'm building a life for us. A year. I yearn for your love. I'm here for you. I'm crazy for you. I see your videos, TikTok or Reels. I love you like a love song, baby. So yeah, there is love if if you're like asking for a person, or it could be you're manifesting a new person, but strongly your ex. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. I hope you have a great year ahead and enjoy your Christmas and New Year. Yeah. Let's see what do Pisces need, Aquarius need to know. Why did I say Pisces? Maybe it could resonate for some. You know a Pisces or you are Pisces. Anyway. Let's see what do Aquarius need to know. Angels, guardian angels, what do Aquarius need to know? Guardian angels, what do Aquarius need to know? Aquarius need to know. The full moon. There are things going to balance out eventually in your life, Aquarius. I see you guys are traveling. The cycle completed. You guys are studying, going abroad, study. There's energy of recreating yourself, uh, shedding your old skin, growing, flying, making new friends, traveling overseas very highly. This is a travel card, a very very strong sign of traveling. And you guys are very clear about what you want, Aquarius. Yeah, very very strong energy of knowing what you want, getting what you want. You guys might be confused in between a lot of options. Yeah, you want to fly like a solo, like it's very solo vibe of fly like an eagle, to study, to first new beginnings, new job, new career. You guys are traveling for a better life is what I'm seeing. But things need to be hidden, or you are just like doing it by yourself, very under key, like you don't want to tell the world what you're doing, but you're doing it regardless for yourself. Beautiful energy, I love it. Let's see what do since it's not a love reading, I'm just gonna open this. and see what two messages you get from the romance angel. Healing family issue. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So there's a need to forgive your parents, Aquarius. That'll help you benefit your life. Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. If you're asking about somebody in particular on your mind continuously, the angels are telling you, yes, that is your soulmate. Okay, so let's get some messages now for you. Angels, guardian angels, spirit guides. Mama, please help me. This is for Aquarius. Okay. It was divine's plan to make you all meet. They're saying, baby, come to me. Get a life. If you're not going out, you need to get a life, or just balance it out again. I need help. So they're asking, say my name. Yeah, they want to call you. There's a strong need of yearning. Like, baby, come to me. I need help. Say my name. Life is toxic right now. I'm building a life for us. Get your dream job. Follow your dream. My heartbeat belongs to you. I love you to the moon and back. You are so beautiful / handsome. Get a life and I will lead on. Oh, if it's a runner chaser energy, then it's telling you to mind your business for a while. They want you to reach out, but there's a mixed message that don't reach out and do your work. You bring out the best in me. I love you like a love song, baby. So it could be a strong runner chaser dynamic between you all, is what I'm seeing. Yeah, and the moon cycle affects your relationship. One runs and one chases. The other one runs, the other chases. Very, very twin flame connection if you guys are in. Okay. Or you guys are gonna meet a twin flame soon. So also message. And we got true love. This is a romance of a lifetime. Wow. Some really powerful cards for Aquarius. Okay. So let's see what do Pisces have in for full moon. Angels, guardian angels, what do Pisces have for full moon? Okay, again a travel card. So some Pisces may be traveling. There's a cycle over and a new cycle is going to begin. I see Ace of Swords here. A new cycle in the air season, which is Aquarius. Next month, you're going to start a new cycle, Pisces. A lot of messages coming in, it's crazy. Someone is calling you to their city or helping you out in your studies or career. Oh yeah, like I said, cycle is over with the death card. There are new beginnings coming from New Year. Transformation, a huge transformation. I see very bright beginnings for Pisces. Wow, a lot of messages. Again, sword, very sword energy. There is this energy of again things ending. A lot of things are ending for y'all. I see 1, 2, 3, 3 changes for y'all. Wow, we've got like 4 major arcana cards. It's a big message. 10, 10. We got thrice. We've got 10. This is 10 number. This is 10 of swords, and when you see the sun card, it's also 19. 9 plus 1, 10. And oh, we've got 4 ones here, by the way. Yeah, 11, 11. Could be a love situation ending. Make a wish is also what I'm getting. Make a wish, and yeah, make a wish. They're saying a lot of new beginnings, happy beginnings for y'all Pisces. If you are not in good energy of love, happiness, and self-love, tranquility, lot of abundance coming for you all, a lot of love, life being good, finances being good, a lot of opportunities coming in your way. Yeah, and you'll be victorious. People are going to see you in very shine light. Yeah, you're manifesting it. Keep manifesting is also what I'm getting. Wow, beautiful messages for Pisces. A lot of messages coming in. It's crazy. You guys are on in a different vibe altogether. Just a lot of like you guys are like jumping and hopping everywhere. Let's see what the angels need to tell you all, and we'll take some two cards from this as well. Romance angels, what do Pisces need to know? Yeah, that's for this quick. See, engagement. Oh, some of you getting engaged, and because we've got, it's funny how these two cards are coming. Could be a very arranged marriage for some Pisces. Engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So Pisces, you guys are getting engaged. For some, your love life is ascending to higher. And the second card is, so for some, it's if you guys are in a relationship, then you guys are going to get engaged. And if you guys are single, then it's like getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So very traditional vibes with this card. Very arranged marriage vibe. Could be, not could be. It's a general reading. Okay, and we'll get some two messages from you since romance angels are very. It was a very nice message. Take two cards. Oh, it was Cupid's plan and shine like a star. Woo! Can you believe this? It was Cupid's plan and shine like a star, Pisces. So New Year will be very lucky for you all is what I'm also feeling. Very strong vibes. Okay. Let's see what I do. Aries. People have blessings from the new moon, full moon. Is it reversed? Okay. These two came out in reversals. Aries, what I'm getting here is if you guys are hesitant about starting something new, it's a message to start something new because you have a lot of options. Don't let the options confuse you. For some, it's a message. Don't let the options confuse you. And if things are not happy right now, there will be, your finances also will be all right. Don't spend too much. If you're spending too much, try to save money. For some, it could be the reason is family life, lot of expenditure on family life. It's okay, things will be all right. Also, there's a lot of practice self-love. Don't be so defensive. Yeah, you need to walk away from things which are not helping you. Money will come in the next 7 months. You need to practice self-love, Aries. I can't read further because you guys are in a very sorry. Practice self-love, Aries. That's the message I have to give you. Let's see what do romance angels need to tell you. Angels, guardian angels, what do Aries need to know? So yeah, if you're dealing with a person, yes, this is your soulmate. Thank you, Aries. Take care. Love you all. Have a great month of December. Happy New Year. Let's see what do Taurus need to know. Angels, guardian angels. What do Taurus need to know? Angels, guardian angels. Amma, what do you? Taurus need to know. Find the card now. Wow, very strong marriage cards for Taurus. You guys have a lot of options. You plan to buy a house and start a family. You are in love with someone. I see you're gonna offer it very soon in the next 4 months to the person you want to marry. Wow, very strong marriage cards. Very strong marriage cards. Wow, lot of love. Let's see what the romance angels need to tell you. Angels, guardian angels, romance mama. What is Taurus need to know about their love life? What do Taurus need? Engagement, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So if you are dating someone, you're gonna ask that person to marry you. Uh, Trust. This situation is calling for you to have trust and reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. So your ex could be coming back to you, Taurus. Very strong vibes, and or you want to reconcile with your ex. Wow, congratulations. Let's see what messages do you need to hear from your person who you're thinking about. You're my everything, they're saying. Your name is everywhere. I'm waiting for you. So they're waiting for you to reach out. That's all I have for you, Taurus. God bless you all. Take care. Happy December. Happy Merry Christmas. And wish you a very, very happy New Year. Let's see what do Geminis need to know. My lovely Geminis, what do they need to know? Let's see what do Geminis need to know. Wow, Geminis, beautiful cards. We've got 4 major arcanas, 3 major arcanas out of 8. I see you balancing out. The first message which I've got is you're balancing out your energies, your female and your male energies, and you're being in the middle. You're balancing out your compassion and loving energy, and you're also balancing your ego, that male power. Your feminine and divine masculine energy are very balanced, regardless of your gender. I see you don't want to focus on not anything else but yourself, but don't hold yourself too much. Try to balance it out a little more and follow what you want to do. Yeah, if you're going towards your dreams and ambitions and going forward towards your goals, don't be in your head, just flow and like spread your hands and spread your wings and do what you want to do. I see a situation where you feel very lost, or like a love situation could be where you feel very emotionally lost, and there could be fights in a love situation. Let's see what the romance angels are telling you. Why is this 5 of swords and 5 of... Okay, love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. And religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So if this is about your love life, this is the message for you. Love yourself first and religious factors. And we got the bottom energies. You deserve love. You deserve love, and you are lovable. So yeah, you need to tell this to yourself, like, I deserve love and I'm lovable. You need to keep telling her, like, very clearly. Like, I'll repeat again. You deserve love and you are lovable, and you need to tell yourself, you deserve love, I deserve love, and I am lovable. And keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Okay, one more card we'll take. Family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Geminis. We'll take 2 messages from you, or maybe 1. Yeah, marry you. Oh, so your person is asking is, so whoever your person is, you're asking about, they're saying it could be a trigger warning. This is the message. I won't say it. Take care, guys. Have a great December. Love yourself. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Let's see what do our crab sign needs to know. Angels, guardian angels. I'll just shuffle them. So when you love yourself, you automatically attract a lot of love in your life. I'm gonna take these. So we've got the Lovers and the Two of Cups together. A very love situation. You guys are moving to a place where you'll find your love, or you're moving with your family or your girlfriend to a new place or city, and you're very passionate about it. Very lovey energy for you all. This full moon is going to bring a lot of love to a lot of people. You might buy a house in a countryside or up the hill near pyramids. I see pyramids, mountain, Egypt, new countries. But there'll be some challenges, but you guys are going to win eventually. Angels, guardian angels. Mama, what does Cancerians need to know? Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. You need to decide what you want, Cancerians. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. For some, it could be a marriage situation. You guys are getting married soon. Codependency. Okay, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Maybe there's a need to talk some things. Okay, I'll take one more message. What do they need to know? Passion. Allow your heart and joy to sing with passion. So with the Knight of Wands here, I'm getting this energy of you need to follow your passions. Love life is great right now for you all, but you need to follow your passions. Cancerians, why is this King of Wands here for? Oh yeah, the energy is very slow if you're regarding your work situation and your marriage, because you need to balance things out. Yeah, the wedding will take some time, but yeah, eventually whoever you're dating or in a relationship, or where God is making you guys meet, it's going to be a very lovely partnership, but you need to like balance things out regarding your finances, is what I'm hearing. Let's see what do angels and guide. What do you need to know regarding your love situation? Okay. It was Cupid's plan. What do Cancerians need to know? I'm coming. So yeah, if you haven't met this person, they're coming towards you, and your name is everywhere. So maybe they're getting signs that someone new is coming in their life or something like that. Cancerians. Yeah, that's all I have for you. Let's see what do Leos need to know. Come on. Angels, guardian angel. What do Leos need to know? Mama, angels, guardian angels. What do Leos need to know? Okay, the lovers. There could be some traveling involved in your love connection. You're being defensive. You're getting some. You have a new person in your mind, but you're not able to decide. Yeah, true love. So this is a confirmation from the angels that this is a romance of a lifetime. Leos. Okay. Don't be so defensive. Go with the flow again. There's a infinity symbol here. Could represent repeating cycles and your you guys are bonded together infinitely, like two poles on a compass. Twin flame, opposites attract. Very twin flame energy. Yeah, that's all I have for you, Cancerians. A lot of love coming in. Don't be defensive and go with the flow. Let's see what the messages you have from your person who's going to come towards you or you already have in your life. Mama, angels, guardian angels, what do they need to know? I love ghosting. So this is a very strong message. Maybe you guys have met and they are it's twin flame. So one is a chaser and runner. So be careful of which category do you fall in. Are you the runner or the chaser? And your name is everywhere, and with you I am complete. My missing puzzle piece. Could be some throat chakra blockage for you, whoever you are dealing with. Leos, they're not expressing their love for you, but listen to your intuition. Yeah, let's see what do. Thank you. Have a great December. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Let's see what do Virgos need to know. It is for Virgos. Bottom energy. Emperor. Wow, we've got very nice cards. Do I need to shuffle again? Wow, very we've got counterparts here. Emperor and Empress. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Wow. Virgo, who are you dealing with? You guys are like a power couple. One is emotionally very stable, financially stable, very calming, knows how to build his career. And your woman is very strong-minded, strong-headed, level-headed, knows logical reasoning, very headstrong, very clearly communicating with you. And you guys are an emperor and empress, whoever you are dealing with, or you're going to marry to. If you're married, this is your counterpart. You guys are power couple. And if you guys are in a relationship already, it's a beautiful match. Well, let's see what do romance angels need to tell you all. What do Virgos need to know regarding their love life? We will take 4 cards. Passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. True love, this is the romance of a lifetime. Deception. Someone is wearing a false mask in this relationship. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. This could be a major factor if you guys are not married, or if you're in a relationship or married already. There needs to be some passion ignited again. Okay, love messages from your person. Okay, let's see. Angels, guardian angels. Sorry. Maybe we